Teach your brain to think in English in 14-day transformation. Today, we're embarking on an exciting journey to teach your brain to think in English within just 14 days. I'm thrilled to introduce you to the newest and most effective strategies and learning methods to achieve this goal. So, let's dive right in. The power of immersion. The key to mastering any language is immersion. Surround yourself with English as much as possible during these 14 days. Listen to English music, watch English movies, and engage in conversations with native speakers or language partners. Create a learning schedule. Structured learning schedule to keep you on track. Dedicate at least 30 minutes each day for language practice. Consistency is vital, so find a time that fits your routine and stick to it. Embrace visual learning. Studies have shown that visual aids enhance language retention. Use flashcards, mind maps, and imagery to associate English words with their meanings. This method will significantly boost your vocabulary and comprehension. Think in English. To truly master English thinking, start thinking in English. As you go about your daily activities, try to describe your surroundings, thoughts, and emotions in English. This exercise helps your brain adapt to the language naturally. Practice speaking aloud. Verbalizing what you learn is crucial. Talk to yourself or find a language partner to practice speaking aloud regularly. Don't be afraid of making mistakes, they are stepping stones to improvement. Learn through context. Understanding English within the context of real-life situations is vital. Read articles, books, and watch videos with subtitles to grasp how words are used naturally. This approach enhances your language intuition. Harness the power of technology. Leverage language learning apps and online resources to accelerate your progress. These tools offer interactive exercises, quizzes, and even language exchange platforms where you can practice with native speakers. Use mnemonic devices. Remembering new words can be challenging, but mnemonic devices can be your best friend. Create fun associations or stories to remember challenging vocabulary. These mental hooks will help you recall words effortlessly. Daily language challenges. Set small language challenges for yourself daily. Whether it's writing a short paragraph, recording a voice message, or learning 5 new words, these achievable goals will boost your confidence and motivation. Be kind to yourself. Language learning is a journey, not a race. Be patient and kind to yourself throughout the process. Celebrate your progress, no matter how small, and remember that every step forward is a step towards success. Congratulations! You're now armed with the latest strategies and learning methods to teach your brain to think in English in just 14 days. Remember, consistent practice and immersion are your keys to success. Now go out there and immerse yourself in the wonderful world of English. You found this video helpful? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with fellow language enthusiasts. Until next time, keep learning, keep growing, and keep thinking in English. Goodbye.